Hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. I'm always looking for bread alternatives, new bread, delicious bread. I have this amazing loaf of sourdough bread that I brought here in Montreal from a shop called Fruity Maruti. It is insanely delicious. They bake it every day. If you live in Montreal and want to go get some. Today we're making avocado bread with 3 ingredients. Got some avocado that I'm mashing up. So this was quite a soft avocado. We're going to add 1 egg. I'm making 2 pieces. You can make, the recipe calls for double. I halved it because I wanted to make it. And now I've lost my egg. Hold on 1 second. Let me find my egg. Okay, we take 1 egg. And then we take a cup of grated cheese. We're going to blend that all together. Now you can add whatever seasoning you like. I'm going to add some everything but the bagel seasoning, which I love. So now mash it all together. So you want to combine it all together. And put some everything but the bagel seasoning in it. There's some nice and tasty. There we go. You've got your healthy fat with the avocado, and you've got protein from the egg and the cheese. So you can just fill it with vegetables, make it as a sandwich. So what we're going to do now is we're going to scoop it on a parchment paper, and this will make 2 pieces. So you want 2 even scoops, and then you just round them out. So we're just going to smooth it out. You want it, if it's too thick, it won't cook. If it's too thin, it'll burn. So just kind of in between. And you want to make them like as even size as possible because that's going to be your sandwich. This one is not as big. There we go. So I've got 2 rounds. There we go. We're going to put this in the oven and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, so I cooked it. It got nice and brown and it smells delicious. And I have 2 pieces. Look at this. 2 pieces of avocado bread. So you can either make a sandwich and put your filling in between, or you can just roll one up like a wrap. Delicious. Who would have thought? 3 ingredient avocado bread, a great alternative to traditional bread, just as delicious. I'm going to have fun eating this and filling it. Enjoy!